Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are thinking about the Ecobee Smart Thermostat application in order to control your home's heating and the cooling remotely, then you might be wondering whether it is actually any good. So in this video, I'm going to be covering the app's best features and its biggest drawbacks and whether it is worth using in 2026. Now you need to come here on Google Play Store or App Store in order to download the application on your device. Now when you download it, simply open the application and here you can create an account, or if you already have one, you can sign in into your account. So when you sign in into your account, you can add your thermostat with it, and with the help of it, you can just simply control your thermostat from anywhere. And I would say this is one of its biggest advantages. So you can control your thermostat from anywhere, you can adjust the temperature, you can switch the system modes, you can create the schedules and manage comfort settings and even monitor your home's climate directly from the phone. So the application also lets you view the connected smart sensors. That makes it very easy for you to see the temperatures in the different rooms. Now, one feature that I personally like is the scheduling system. So you can create the home sleep custom comfort settings and then you can build the schedules around them. So this application also includes the vacation mode that allows you to set the departure and the return dates while automatically adjusting the temperatures in order to save the energy. Another strong feature is the compatibility. So Ecobee application also works with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and other Apple HomeKit. That makes it very easy for you to basically control your thermostat with the voice commands and the smart home routines. So all in all, I can say that this particular application is going to provide you nearby all the thermostat controls remotely. That makes the managing schedules, comfort settings, and energy usage much more easier than using the thermostat screen alone. So you can definitely go ahead and you can try this application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.